Hey there, and welcome back to the Nina Network YouTube channel. Today I want to show you guys real quick how to list a variable product in WooCommerce for WordPress. So to start this real quick, we're going to start with the actual title of the product. We're going to copy and paste that right here where it says product name. Okay. Then I'm going to come down here to the side like I usually do and pick our categories and which they belong in, as well as product tags. And these are multicolored threaded earrings, so that's what we're going to use. And then we're also going to add our accessories tab to this as well, so that way it's easy to find on the website. Also, I'm going to scroll down here and we're going to pick our format. And of course we want our sidebar to the left like the rest of the products on the website. I'm going to show you something else at the very end, but first let me just get to the meat and potatoes of this. After I come back up, of course the next thing we're going to do is right under here where it says product data, we're going to take that drop down and we're going to switch that to a variable product. And as you notice, everything kind of changes a little bit there as far as the details for the SKU numbers and things like that, but it's pretty much the same. Now because we have several of the same product, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the first SKU number here and we're just going to use that as our SKU for the threaded earrings as a whole, but each color has their own SKU number, and we'll get to that in a second. So taxable, it is taxable, standard tax class. We're going to go into inventory. Now, what's optional about this is you don't have to really update this particular part, because as you put in each variable product, it's actually going to give you an option to put how many of each one you have in. So we're going to skip this part. We're going to go to shipping. And for shipping, our shipping class is going to be earrings. So we're going to add that. Linked products, you can always do something similar. I believe there's already a few pair of, there we go, threaded earrings on the site already. And then for cross sales, we can go with a different type of earring. So there's a few different butterfly earrings that are listed on the site, so we're going to use those as our cross sales for this particular product, and I'll just do two. Now this is where it gets interesting. In order to make a variable product, you have to be able to list the actual attributes first. So we're going to go to attributes and we're going to add our attributes for each one. Now our attribute here could be size, color, basically mostly size and color, but we're going to go with colors on this one because that's what our options are, and we want it visible on the product page and we want to use it for variations. So what I'm going to do next is I already have all the different colors listed here, so I'm just going to copy and paste those, and I'm going to place them here. Now of course you would normally have to type them in, but in order to get them to be separate you have to add a line in between each one. So I'm just going to go back and do that real quick because that's basically how they're listed. So, oh, our purple just lost our last, wait, oh there we go. Okay, then we have the orange, white, and green, the light pink and purple, light green and light purple, and we're just going to get these listed like that. Okay, and I don't like how this looks, so I'm just going to drop that down. But basically these are attributes for the actual product itself. So I'm going to hit save attributes here, and then we're going to go to variations. Now when I hit variations, what we want to do is, you can link it individually, but we want to link all variations. So basically every color that we have becomes an option. Okay, we come down here. Now as you can see, we have a SKU number box, quantity, and price for each one. Now before I do that, I'm going to go back up here and just put in some information that I forgot real quick. And that's just basically that the earrings are 3 inches in diameter. Now you can always put in more of a product description. You can leave it blank. You can put in less of a product description. It's pretty much up to you as far as how you want to describe the product that you're selling. Okay, now the first thing we're going to do is, the first color that came up is red, black, and green. So I'm going to come back here and I'm going to find my SKU number for red, black, and green, which is the second one here. So I'm going to highlight that. I'm going to copy it, and we're going to add that SKU number here. In stock for quantity, I'm going to put 1, and our price is going to be $3 for each one. Okay, we're not going to worry about weight and dimensions, and as you can see under shipping class, same as parent, tax class, same as parent. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to add our visual. Now, because of the fact that we're looking for up here, to make it a lot easier, we're just going to search for threaded earrings in our search box. And as you can see, they all come up. The first one is red, black, and green. So we're going to go ahead and open that. And we have red, black, and green threaded earrings as our title. I'm okay with that, so we're going to accept that as our image. The next thing you want to do is come down and find the next SKU number. The next one is red, yellow, and green. So I'm going to go back to my notepad list, and I'm going to look for, let's see, red, yellow, and green. Let me see, I just want to make sure I have the right one here. Red, black, black, yellow. Okay, so we're going to use this one here, and we're going to just drop that right here. We have 1 in stock again. Our price is the same, $3. It doesn't change, and all of this to the right side stays the same. We're going to go back and we're going to find our red, green, and yellow earrings this time. So I'm going to do the same basic way that I did it last time. So here we go, red, green, and yellow, and we're going to drop that one right there. Come down to purple and pink, same thing. We're going to find the SKU number for the purple and pink, copy that, drop it here. We have 1 in stock. Variation, our regular price is going to be $3. They're not on sale. If they were, I would add a sale price here. Then we're going to go back over here and we're going to upload our file for our purple and pink pair, which is right here. Open that up. Same thing, they're purple and pink threaded earrings. I'm going to save that variation. Okay, next we have orange, white, and green. So I'm going to find that SKU number right here, 4th one down, green and orange. Going to copy that, and we're going to paste that right there as well. We have 1 in stock, same thing for our price, $3, and then we're going to find our picture for green and orange. And let's see, our green and orange. No, that's pink. Oh, here we go. Orange, white, and green. Open that one up. I'm going to set that variation image. Oops, hit the wrong button. Come down here again. We're going to go with the light purple and light green. So we're going to find this one, purple and green, 5th one down. Copy that. Paste it in our SKU number box. Have 1 quantity, $3 again for the price, and then we're going to find our purple and pink pair for our variation image. So let's see. I'm sorry, I said the wrong thing. I meant to say neon pink and yellow. Oh, no. Wrong image. Wrong image. Let's take that out. Sorry. Light purple and green. I guess after a while they kind of all start to look the same. But we're looking for our purple and green. Alright, let's set this variation image here, light purple, light green. And then our last one is going to be the neon pink and yellow. So we're going to go ahead and get this one copied and ready to go. We're going to paste here. We have one in stock, $3. And then we're going to find our pink and yellow. And here they are here. We're going to open those and set the variation image for those. So if you look back, we have all of our variation images set for each one. And then we're going to come back over here to the side and we're going to set the actual product image. Now, if you remember, the first one I actually listed with our regular SKU number was the pink and purple. So that's what I'm going to use for the actual product image. And because of the fact, oh wait, let's go back to our media library because we don't need to upload those again. We already have those pictures available. So we're going to use that to set the product image. Then we're going to add a product gallery. And what we're going to do with that is we're going to take and show every variation of the colors that she has in stock for this particular. Wait, we don't need that one. We have that one already. We need this one, that one, and that one. Okay, and we're going to use those to add to our gallery and show the different options that we have available for this particular product. So let's look at it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay? Now that we have all of that done, we're going to go down here to the very bottom and we're going to work on our SEO title, description, and keywords. These are meta tags, basically, so everything that you have can be found in search engines. So our title, we're going to go up here and we're going to copy and paste our small multicolored earrings because that is the actual title of the product. So that's how we would like it to be listed in Google and Bing. The description can be fun multicolored threaded earrings. Oops, I might have spelled earrings right. For spring. We'll just say for spring. She can always go back and change this if she likes, speaking of my client. And then for our keywords, we want to use threaded earrings as one of them. Multicolored could be another. Spring, and we can use accessories to basically make these eligible to be searched in Google. So now that we have everything in, I just want to go to the top here and preview it to see what our product actually looks like and if all of our variations and things like that show up on the actual product page. So here we go. This is the product page. You can drop down and choose what color combination you like. You can also look here and look at the actual product image of each one. And I'll probably have to scale those down later on. We'll have to take a look at that. But that's pretty much how you list a variable product in WooCommerce for WordPress. And now that we see everything is intact, we're going to go ahead and publish the product. So once it's published, I'm going to hit View Product up here at the top, and that should pretty much give me the actual product page and what it looks like. So here you go, and of course it has related products at the bottom and also the other options of threaded earrings that you might like. So voila, that is how you list a variable product complete with SEO meta tags in WooCommerce for WordPress. Thank you guys for watching.